If you work with 3D models in SketchUp, X-ray mode is one of those features that can instantly make your workflow easier. It's especially useful for technical tutorials because it lets you see internal parts of a model without hiding the outer surfaces. So if you've ever wanted to show wiring inside a circuit housing, internal structures inside an object, or just make a model easier to explain, this is exactly the feature you need. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. It really helps the channel, and it tells YouTube to share this video with more people who need it. Alright, let's jump in. X-ray mode is a face style in SketchUp, which means it changes how your model is displayed rather than changing the model itself. That's important because nothing is being deleted, hidden permanently, or altered in your design. You're just changing the visual style so you can see through surfaces while still keeping the model visible. This makes it perfect for presentations, teaching, troubleshooting, and detailed design work. Now let's look at how to turn on X-ray mode in the desktop version. There are 3 easy ways to do it, and I'll walk you through each one so you can use whichever is most convenient for you. First, you can use the menu at the top of the screen, go to View, then move down to Face Style, and then select X-ray. As soon as you click it, your model will become translucent and you'll be able to see through the surfaces. This is the most straightforward method if you like using menus and want to make sure you're choosing the correct display mode. The second way is through the toolbar if you already have it enabled. To show the Styles toolbar, go to View, then Toolbars, and then make sure Styles is turned on. Once that toolbar is visible, look for the icon that resembles a transparent blue cube. That is the X-ray mode button. Just click it and the view will switch immediately. This is a great option if you use the feature often because it gives you faster access without going through the menu each time. The third way is from the Styles tray in the default tray. If your tray is open, go to Styles, then select the tab and open the default Styles folder. Inside that folder, you'll find the X-ray thumbnail. Click on it to activate the mode. This method is useful if you're already managing other style settings and want to switch visual modes from one place. Once X-ray is on, you'll notice that all surfaces in your model become translucent. That means you can inspect what's inside while still keeping the overall shape of the object in view. If you're creating a technical tutorial, this is incredibly helpful because viewers can understand both the outside form and the internal components at the same time. It saves you from constantly hiding and unhiding geometry, which can interrupt your workflow. If you want to turn X-ray mode off, just go back to the same place you used to turn it on. You can return to View, Face Style, and choose a different display mode, or click the style icon again, or select another style from the tray. That will restore your normal view. A quick tip. X-ray mode works best when you need clarity for explanation, but not necessarily for final presentation renders, so use it when you're teaching, modeling, or checking how parts fit together, especially when the internal structure matters, and that's how to use X-ray mode in SketchUp. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you need to show what's happening inside a model without removing the outer shell. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the channel for more easy SketchUp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.